In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a strip on Wix. If you're editing your website in Wix and you want to remove a strip you no longer need, the good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. A strip in Wix is usually a wide horizontal section on your page that can contain text, images, buttons, or other design elements. Deleting the correct strip helps keep your layout clean and organized. So let's go through it clearly. Start by opening your Wix editor. Make sure you're on the page where the strip appears, and give yourself a moment to identify the exact section you want to remove. This is important, especially if your page has multiple strips stacked on top of each other. Next, click directly on the strip you want to delete. When you've selected the right one, you'll see a border appear around it. That border confirms that the strip is active and ready to be edited. If you don't see the border, try clicking again in an empty area of the strip rather than on an item inside it, like text or an image. The goal is to select the strip itself, not one of the elements placed inside it. Once the strip is selected and the border is visible, press the Delete key on your keyboard. On some keyboards, you may need to use the backspace key instead. As soon as you do that, the strip will be removed from the page. There is also another way to do the same thing if you prefer using your mouse. With the strip visible on the page, right-click on an empty space within that strip. Be careful to right-click an empty area and not a specific element inside the strip. A menu will appear, and from that menu, click Delete. This will remove the strip just like using the keyboard shortcut. Both methods work, so you can use whichever feels easier for you. If you're making design changes quickly, the keyboard method is often faster, while the right-click option can be helpful if you want a more visual way to confirm the action. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.